Hello and welcome guys to our YouTube channel Super Facts. Today in this video we are going to unbox and review a webcam. Yeah, you heard it correct. This is our first unboxing and review video. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. So here's the box as you can see, and we are going to unbox it. Yeah, you can see I have ordered it from Flipkart, and now I'm going to take the cutter and just open it up. What's in it? Yeah, it'll video webcam. Cannot wait. Oh, yes. Let's cut it down to pieces. Yep, our thing is out here, and you can see web camera full HD 180p, and the specs are mentioned here, something like this. And now we are going to open the box. See what's in the box. Oh, it's a webcam. Wow, as you can see, here's a webcam, totally new and just wow, nothing more than wow and nothing less. Then let's open it and come out. Yeah, as you can see, it's a webcam, and don't think it as means it's not old or something, but it's a protective layer to protect the camera lens. And you can see this is the webcam. It has a tilt. You can see this is the webcam. It has a tilt, and you can adjust it with your computer like this. Claps. And now you can see it has a pretty long cable, and for here it's a splitter. It has one microphone jack and one USB for video transmitting. Okay, this is the main lens of the camera, and here's a noise cancellation mic. Here you can see there's a hole. It's a cheap mic, but still better than nothing. Okay, now let's talk about the build quality. It is completely made of plastic, and it has some sponge surface over here to clip it onto your desktop or PC monitor. And now as you can see, it has a tilt, and it's fine. According to its price, it's fine. I'll connect this to my PC, and let's see what happens after we connect this to our PC. Yeah guys, we are back to our PC screen, and now we are going to clip this onto our monitor. And how to do that I'm going to show you. Just it's here like this, and onto this you just need to do it like this. Do it like this, and make sure that this part, the middle part, yes, that it sits on your PC like this, and just press it from back. Yeah, and now done. And as you can see, our microphone has just clipped into our PC, and so now we will just plug in our microphone jack and USB jack. And so it was written in the package that it was only plug and play, no drivers required, but I don't think that's the case. In Windows 10 you can just plug and play this, but I don't think in Windows 7 it is going to work. Well, rather, let's see. Now we will do this. Let's done, and this done. And see something here, it's written installing driver software in our PC. I don't think you can see, but well, it's installing the driver. Let's wait. Yeah, and as you can see, it's saying your device is ready to use. Integrated camera ready to use. USB composite device ready to use. Hooray, it worked. And now we will move to our PC screen, and as we can see, we will check whether the camera is working or not. Let's open up, and now we will open capture device, and now capture device direction. Okay, now microphone, video device, integrated cam, and now okay, let's play it. Okay, wow, it's working, guys. As you can see, it's working, and it's completely okay with it. So as you can see, this cam is nothing like HD or something, just came out of nothing, and it is a cheap webcam and a decent quality video quality it has. And then you have that it is not any HD quality, just written for their sale. And it's a good camera according to its price point, and it has a inbuilt microphone instead, and that's a good thing. Okay. And I love to say that it's quite a good webcam, and it also has quite a good integrated microphone, as I am recording this video with this microphone in. And so it's a very good microphone and a webcam set. And you know what, I got it under 10,000, sorry, 1,000 rupees. It's a great set, and I really enjoy this was everything about this webcam, and there's nothing like full HD or 180p. It's just written for their sale, and you have a built-in microphone, noise isolated microphone, it's written in the specs. But I tested the microphone, as you can see in the previous video, or in the previous part of the video. It was not as good as it said. But webcam, I won't underrate this webcam, as according to its price it okay. I bought this under only 1,000 rupees. Or further, if you have any issues or anything, you can write me in the comments. Okay, bye.